Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Woo! Wanna do. Welcome
you
back
guys.
to Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire. We're fun,
Inspirational,
we're real,
and we're educational.
You would want to have a newborn again? Like
Another
had
child?
to? Yeah, you've had
Cut
to.
out another one?
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay.
A part of me wants to have another child, especially now that the girls are growing up and I kind of
So
forget
you're
about the
fascinated with the
pain.
baby part of it? Because them growing up now, you want the next baby part of it again.
So we're going to keep doing that.
Alright.
No, it's not fascinated with the baby stage, only because I love them growing up now. Like, it's so fun and it's so much more manageable with them. A part of me, because I've never really made it up in my mind or came to a full conclusion that, I'm done having children. Maybe that's why the lingering thought is still there about possibly wanting another child. Talking about that, big ups to the Virgos. Congratulations on your pregnancy.
I say, me and Anne is all the best.
Yeah.
You guys know we're rooting for you and cheering you on.
We love you.
Yeah, so yeah. For me though, guys, it's just that I don't want her to go through what she had to go through the first 2 times, having a C-section, and all that was associated with it. I mean, financially too, we want to be able to, be at that space and place, because things are so much more expensive than when we had the first one, which is the second one. So,
and two, when we had Bella, we had most of Bria's stuff.
And
so if peradventure we have a boy, it's like a total
starting right over.
Yeah,
If you have a girl too, because most of the stuff 5 years we've given them away. So all of those little things, But if it's God's timing and God's plan, He will make a way. But enough of that baby talk.
Hey Bas, I just want to say happy Mother's Day to you. You have been such a wonderful mom to the girls, and I can truly attest to the fact that you are a great parent. And anybody who wants to be a great parent, a great mom, should definitely take a page out of your book. You have not only been a mom to your girls, but also by extension to Paige, and I am really thankful for all the love that you have shown her over the years.
Happy Mother's Day! Listen, I just want to let you know how much I love you and how much of a great job you're doing with your beautiful angels, Bria and Bella. I came into your life when Bria was probably 3 years old, and I've literally been there since. I've seen you raise your children, and I just want to let you know that you are so good. You are there for them, you love them. I've seen your bonding moments, I've seen your teaching moments, I've seen you in almost every aspect of motherhood, and I just want to let you know that you're doing amazing. And I pray that God continues to bless you on this journey of motherhood. You've not only been a mother to Bria and Bella, but you have Sterling, who's another baby, you have Ladasha, you have all the children in the world who just love and appreciate you because of what you're doing. So thank you for being such a great mother. You've also been a mother to me. You're like my mother sister. The advices that you give me, with the hugs when I need them, when I really do need them. And yeah, I love you. keep being great, keep doing great things, because we see and we know and we feel the love that you've been sharing. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi, Mom.
What do you love doing with mommy?
That's a to play. I love to play with my mom. I love to color with my mom. I love to I love to do everything. I love to like watch movies with my mom, dance the songs with her, and also I love to play football with her. It's very nice. My mom is a great footballer.
What do you wish for mommy for Mother's Day?
I wish mommy the best Mother's Day ever. She doesn't need any present. All she needs is love, caring. I wish her for everything and a unicorn. I wish my mom doesn't need any present. Oh, that's not my mom. My mom needs us, my dad, hugs, kisses, love, breakfast, and food. That's all she needs. She does not need any presents. No presents or presents, she'll be happy. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. We love you. Mommy, Poopy, Bye. Bye-bye. Miss you.
Detail about Mother's Day dinner.
I have a request. So you're gonna see what he cooked for Mother's Day dinner. But I have a request. One, please don't be adventurous. Please.
Most of my adventures have become tumultuous, guys. The end. You don't
The
do
end, we
anymore.
not said nothing more. And Bella had a lot to say about the last adventure.
Oh, Bella does
No filter.
not have a filter. She doesn't
Oh
doesn't
my
hold back at
gosh.
all.
So one, please don't be adventurous. Two, I know that there are certain things that you can cook really well. Please stick to the things that you can cook really well, aka
No, you don't have to tell me.
okay. Because there are some things that Brian cannot.
Tin this and bread and
No.
Brian cook those well.
No. That's not what I'm talking. Want me to tell you what I want?
No.
Okay, but stick to what you can cook really well. Mother's Day is not. I'm not encouraging you to be adventurous and be chefocious.
And flapocious.
And yeah, I'm gonna say I want to enjoy dinner.
Okay.
Okay, so I don't want you to be adventurous.
Okay.
So that's one. I feel like I want to have no mosquito go bite me up.
Can't go outside.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. We can't go outside. Okay, then those are my requests. Please don't be adventurous on Mother's Day in the kitchen, and please stick to what you can cook really well.
Okay. We'll see if permission is granted.
Well, don't worry, Bella will be there to answer you and give you her feedback. Hey, Bella, not easy, nah? Oh my God.
Kids say the darndest things.
Bella is just, and then Bria is on the other side of the spectrum. But Bria
Don't
is
worry,
always
Daddy. It's not
fixing
bad.
it up,
Yes. Good try. We appreciate you.
and Bella's like,
Daddy, no. You miss.
Bella is something else. But the girls are growing up nicely. We thank God for them. 5 and 8-year-old. I can't believe we have an 8-year-old and a 5-year-old. Wow.
I can take it. Show me
I
what
got
can
a
take it.
pouch which says Mama, and it has a pen in there. I love pens. It has
Yes.
candy,
How long will you keep it?
and it has a Dove nourishing body care something. Not too sure what it is. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. And I got wine while I was there. So I'm feeling nice.
You never record nothing though. Come there and check. Oh, you know, upload it.
The internet, I don't know what's happening.
Okay.
I brought home chocolate for the girls.
Oh, meantime. You hungry?
Oh God, I'm hungry bad.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was.
especially my mother. My mother is a sophisticated woman. She is a brave woman, a pretty woman, and everything. My Lord, as we pray today for my mother, that we pray that everything that happens today, you will honor her, we will honor you, and we will do everything that you say, we'll do everything that she says, because today is her day. Today is her day. She is a very nice woman, a very funny woman, and a very kind woman. She is so lovely and nice, Lord. So continue to make her be the best mother, the best wife, the best friend, the best sister, the best daughter, the best mother in the world. In Jesus' name I pray.
It's crazy to believe. Oh, and we have another one. Name is Ladasha Kwan.
That's not my child. It's not my child.
That's funny. So for those of you on other social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, you'll be...
And please, it's nothing me. Nobody asked me about Ladasha Kwan. That have nothing to do with me. I am not. I am completely disassociated. I don't shoot those videos. I don't give content on those videos. I don't nothing on those videos.
Whatever. Listen,
but
Ladasha is the boss.
Ladasha is making her name out there.
Yeah.
No matter what event we go to, no matter what function, people are asking about Ladasha.
Yeah, the permanent secretary at the event today, as in the
people
ministry.
in high places are asking about Ladasha Kwan. No, sir.
I thought it was so funny. But yeah, people love Ladasha. I love Ladasha too. Braces.
I think we all know somebody like that, or somebody who, even if they don't do it, they say it. Mm-hmm. But we know people, or we've heard stories of people who are like, yo, they're just different. They're just different. Anyway, we won't keep it too long.
Yeah.
It's been so nice chatting with you guys, catching up.
You look handsome, sure.
Me look handsome?
Yeah.
Always. You look nice too.
Like, yeah.
My wife that.
Yeah, my CPO.
Yes.
And as an important arm of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security.
Alright, love on the cufflinks.
Love you.
See you next time. Summer is coming up, and you know for summer we have a summer stuff with
Stuff from the cups.
she never remember.
No, I thought you were gonna sing it. You know, see me I do the beat.
She don't remember.
I remember. Come again. I saw my stuff.
I saw my stuff
With panic cups. Hey.
I saw my stuff.
Hey.
I saw my stuff.
Hey.
I saw my stuff
With stuff from the cups.
So look out for that.
That's gonna be exciting because
Yeah.
we have, God willing, we have a nice little summer planned. We have Paris Olympics coming up.
We have Gospel Star. We plan to, probably do some traveling and, the girls and stuff. So it should be exciting. But we want to get some new equipment that will make it easier for our vlogging experiences, right? Yeah. One time the aim was to have a camera, and then especially when you have two children, you're kind of like, oh my God, give me something quick to just go home. And so yeah, we hope to have a good time. Look at my nails, guys. This is, can you see it? So my nail tech, this is Mother's Day complimentary nails. I thought that was so sweet of her. Yeah, I always pay to do Go
that.
check her out.
Yes, Amoy's Nail Salon. You can check her out on Instagram, or you can book with her. She's in Mandeville. Yep.
Alright guys, my nails now, they're courtesy of Brian and Brian Nail Clip.
And,
Yeah.
and the last time you didn't go play, so you didn't get...
No. I don't get
You've ever
those.
had a pedicure?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But I don't do my nails.
Right. You ped your nails.
They give me the natural sheen.
Is that over here, so?
I think it's one of the
There's no
distribution
sign.
centers. I don't know.
Sorry. Like the bush clear, and so we're able to see like right across on the highway. We're trying to figure out what's...
There's a company out there.
Yeah, whole pack of cars.
Anyway, cufflinks. We're out. See you soon.
Bye.
I and we don't know what soon is. But see you soon. And we thank you for all the love and support. Even out there, everywhere we go. Lord, gee, we watch you on YouTube. We watch you on this. We watch you on that. I'm a cufflinks. We love you. Alright?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.